Hey guys, what's going on? This is Darryl Addison at Torpedopot.com. Darryl Addison at Torpedopot.com. And we make self-growing planters that grow your food for you with no human intervention. These are our carrots. Actually, I planted these last year. They went through the wintertime. They survived the winter and they look beautiful. I see no browning. I see no yellowing. This is absolutely stunning. I don't need to tell you, you're looking right at this. This is beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. I see some thick ones here. Just see at the bottom of it. I don't know if they can deliver anything, but let's see if carrots are developed, okay? Oh, look at that. Look at that. They're starting to develop. That's beautiful. Guys, these are torpedopots. These are self-growing planters. You put your plants and your seeds in this planter, and it grows your food for you with no human intervention. I'm sorry I had to stir up this youngling, but this is beautiful, and I'm going to have this for breakfast. Oh, gosh, this looks gorgeous. So I've got maybe about 100 of them inside this planter. I go look for the tops, then I thin them out, and then I eat the carrots at the bottom. So the leaves provide nutrition for me, and so do the bottom carrots, and they're beautiful. Take a look at this. Have you ever seen anything like this before in your life? Look at the beauty in this. These are torpedopots, guys. They grow your food for you with no human intervention. You throw your seeds and your plants in that planter, and you'll have food like you've never seen before in your life. And that's beautiful. That's beautiful. Yeah, they're not finished growing yet, but you know what? The torpedopots allows you to eat your food at various stages during its life cycle. Who told you you had to eat your food and get healthy at the end of its life cycle? That sounds like us. We're so used to getting medicine and cure, so we're looking for that magic pill. When there's nutrition in this plant throughout its full life cycle. This provides a continual supply of food for you and your family for the rest of your life. It's called a torpedopot. You simply put your seeds in this planter, your plants in that planter, and this is what you get. Fresh food, real food. That's absolutely stunning and beautiful. No comparison. This is really beautiful food. Torpedopot grows your food for you. This is no joke. And look at this. I don't want you to see not one blemish. Not one blemish on this plant. Not one deficiency can you recognize. Any deficiency on this plant. It's absolutely beautiful. Let's pull another one out. Take a look at it. I want to pick only my big ones. I don't want to pick any small ones. Now let's try you. They're still very young, and I don't necessarily want to pull them out while they're still young, but I still want to get a nice big one. I'll find one here. Okay, we'll try you. We'll sacrifice you. Okay, let's sacrifice you. Yeah, so this is what we're looking at. Guys, these are torpedopots. What they do is that they grow your food for you with no human intervention. Yes, they grew these baby carrots. Aren't they beautiful? It's like a bouquet, man. This is absolutely beautiful, dude. It's stunning. And I wish you could smell it. The smell is amazing. Guys, all I did was throw my seeds in these planters and it grows my food for me. You won't find this perfect food in your garden. Not for a cost of using fertilizers to your health. Or having to spend an enormous amount of money to get a little bit of nutrition that should be standard in your diet. Standardize your diet with healthy food. Torpedopot grows your food with no human intervention. Put your seeds in a planter and it grows your food for you. It's growing the radish, it's growing my celery, it's growing so many other plants. And for this one, it's growing my carrots. I love it. So, this is the most secure growing system I've ever seen before in my life. It can literally grow any and everything. Now, amazingly, these are carrots that are growing inside of here. We put the seeds in maybe October of last year. They went through the winter time. They stayed and did well. Now they're maturing and they're healthier when it goes to the wintertime. They're so juicy. But before that, we grew had about 10 okra plants in this planter. They grew about 8 feet tall. And we produced over about 1,000 okra between 5 planters. And the roots are still here from the okra. So you use your soil in your over and over and over again. I don't waste soil. Soil is the engine of this planter. You just use it as much, run it completely out. You'll never have to replace your soil because it is the engine of life for all of your plants. And Torpedopot does a great job of providing that energy. Look at that beautiful, what's in that. That is so beautiful inside of there, man. That is gorgeous. Torpedopot truly grows your food. And I know you'll enjoy it and have fun with your family. You'll have a lot of food like you've never seen before. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com. I only wish you could smell this, guys. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com.